Ruby! Me, Palio. You know that I returned a little bit. Me have a little bit of business a lot to do. Over there. We need to cut speaker a lot, okay? Not good. See? That better a lot, okay? Now he's nice and quiet a lot. Because Palio fix by cutting wire a lot, but you not say okay. Me fix problems, you know. That's why Palio for mayor of Winnipeg a lot, okay. Okay, bye. There, that better a lot, okay. Me fix that problem a lot, okay. You vote Palio for mayor of Winnipeg a lot. In mayor contest, okay, a lot, okay. He's good, okay. Me want to fix problems a lot in Winnipeg a lot, okay. Me not like bus shack being broken a lot, but maybe they break it a lot because people go in there a lot, not good. People sleep in there not good because they have no homeless a lot, you know that a lot. But we have buildings downtown all over the place, empty because Trudeau government made sure to make middle class go broke a lot. They go along with it though because, you know, not too smart a lot, okay. Anyway, me go home now.